Online. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the main title theme from The Legend of Zelda. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and part 2 is on the website, please have a look. Alright, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with fourth finger on C. First finger plays G, again C, third is on B flat, A flat, and back to B flat. Again C, A flat, back to C, B, A, and B. Now fingers 1 and 3 play E flat and G. And again, one more time, and again. Fourth finger plays C, G, first is on C, first is on G, fourth is on C, switch to first, and again fourth is on C. First finger is on G, A flat, B flat, and C. Repeat the C with fourth finger. B flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, and first is on G. Third finger plays G, fourth is on A flat, switch to second, F, E flat, now C and A fingers 1 and 5, B and G fingers 1 and 5, second finger plays G's, and switch to first finger on G. Okay, now we'll look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth finger on C, second is on G, and first is on C. Fifth is on B flat, F, and B flat. Fifth finger is on A flat, E flat, A flat, Now we have lots of repeated C and G chords, so one, two, three, four, and one more set of four. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we move down to B flat and F. Again, 4 of them. 3 and 4. Again, moving down to A flat and E flat, 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. And now G and D, again, 4 of them. And moving back up to C and G. Down to B flat and F. A flat and E flat. And up to E flat and B flat. D flat and A flat. C and G. D and A. And E and B. E flat and B flat fingers 4 and 1. D and A fingers 5 and 1. And D flat and A flat fingers 4 and 1. Alright, as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, we can now move on to playing hands together. Left hand begins with 5th finger on C, right hand 4th finger on C. Together, left hand C and G, right hand E flat and G. Together. Right hand 4th is on C. Alright, so this is it for the first part of the main title theme from The Legend of Zelda. Please see the website for part 2. See you in the next tutorial.